Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to make cakes with this machine. This machine costs about $35. There are less expensive versions in the $20, maybe $25 range. I do like this because it makes the bigger cakes, and it will also use the more chunky yarn that you use for amigurumis. This is not a difficult machine to use, and this one takes a lot less arm power, as you'll see with the second arm that goes around. You do about, I'd say, a third less turns. Here's my spool of yarn. Oh, and the reason that you're doing this is so that your yarn is more organized, and that you've already had an opportunity to look for knots in your yarn. Take the manufacturer knots out and put in a regular knot so that you're sure that your yarn is secure in the way that you want it. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is thread it through this hole. You're going to bring it over, and the one that goes round and round, you're going to thread it through that one. It's not very difficult to do. You just twist it and it goes through the little loops. You bring it over, and there's a slit on the top, and both expensive and non-expensive machines have the slit on the top here. It's going to make a center pull about that size. Now, all I do is put a little tension on it. Whoops, make sure it stays in there. It does pull out sometimes. Get this started. Alright, then you're just going to wind. There you go. You wind and you wind. And this way it'll make a nice pretty cake for you. See how fast that's going? See, it's got a little snag in it. Let's pull and see what it is. Nope, just send the steam, no real reason. Just turn and turn and turn. It'll disappear in no time. And not very much work on my turning. This is a metal machine versus the less expensive. It's usually plastic. We're getting a nice hold in our steam. Really hear those gears are turning. This is a whole skein in real time. Big old hole, it's almost done. Haven't even barely filled up the machine. Okay, it slipped a little because it's slippery yarn. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put the tension back on it, reset it, because it works its way up and down, just like if you were using a sew machine and you were winding a bobbin. So we're going to put it back down here so it doesn't slip over this edge right here, that it keeps making it bigger instead of taller. Okay, so let's get going here again. There we go. Yarn left. left over there. This is all I got left. Don't want the last to get tangled up, but it's trying. Alright, here we go. Nope, I tangled it up anyways. Real time. Alright, well we're going to go ahead and take it off so you can see. And I'll just snip that little tangle out of it. Let's see, I've got the scissors sitting here. Alright, there's my beautiful cake. And you could make a cake too. I usually just take the side and I use a clip, a hair clip, a little girl's hair clip or a bobby pin. And then when I'm ready for my yarn, I just do the center pull right there. Okay, see how pretty it is? Now, if you get done and it didn't get on the cake, make a cake correctly, then it's really easy to pull from the center here and rewind it a second time so that you can get it to look exactly as you want. So practice makes perfect, of course. So have at it and have fun. Thank you for watching.